Hey guys, welcome to Parts of Verses, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, today I have a tale, Emma's tale, and also some getaway staycation travel tips. Well, there's a story of this huge elephant called Emma. She lived in a circus and she lived with a cruel man who never gave her food, just locked her up. But one day, the man forgot to lock the door. Then a fox passed by and found Emma there. Told Emma, "You look like you're able to get away from these shackles." But Emma was too afraid. The next day, the man forgot again to lock the door. Then the fox came with another huge elephant who really encouraged Emma to get out. Emma closed her eyes and tried, and finally she was able to release herself from the shackles and realized even she was big enough, she was able to, and all that she lacked was confidence. So that's a tale that teaches us sometimes you just need to be confident so as we are able to move forward and get away from our shackles. Well, here are some travel tips for getaways and staycations. Staycations, as they're referred to, they're getaways sometimes not so far from where you live. For most people, they're like mini vacations. Firstly, you can identify a good means of transport so that you're comfortable. Even if it's a short trip, you can go by road or by train. Then secondly, confirm the facilities that are available. For staycations, you can go for a hotel or you can go for like an Airbnb or Vrbo or one of those places that offers staycation facilities. So you find out what facilities are available so that you can budget and get the facilities that will not be offered there to make your staycation more comfortable. Then thirdly, make sure you plan early, book early. Hey, a staycation tip. Plan early and book early, and also make a good itinerary for your staycation so that even if it's a short trip, it's a short and sweet trip. For more details, check out my website, partsofverses.com. Like, share, and subscribe on our social media handle, and check out our books on Amazon, on do-it-yourselves, on travel tips, and for recipes. Until next time.